What's going on, guys? Mathieu here. In today's episode we are touring a beautiful mid-century modern built in 1955, a 4-bedroom 2-bath 1750 square foot, and it's currently on the market for $900,000. I'm doing this video tour for a client of mine. They are in LA and I want to move up to Sacramento to purchase especially a mid-century modern. So I got very excited today when this property came on the market. It's right here, this property right here, currently on the market, about $900,000. If you don't know where South End Park is, we're about 10-minute drive from downtown Sacramento. Very easy in and out access to the city with Highway 5. And we are right in the middle of the mid-century modern here in South End Park, built by Eichler in 1955, about 60 homes were built, 55 remain as it is. We're very lucky actually in Sacramento area because we had the Strengths Brothers been about 3,500 homes between Davis, Carmichael, and the entire area here in Sacramento. And we have Eichler's home. They built about 11,000 homes between the Northern and South California, and some of the areas like this one here in Sacramento built by Eichler. So let's go have a look inside. It's quite a beautiful property. Hey, if it's the first time to the channel, if you're just tuning in, if you want to know everything there is to know about Sacramento and the Sacramento market, like this South End Park area with this beautiful mid-century modern, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you too can be the first to learn about what Sacramento has to offer. My name is Mathieu Adams. I am a local licensed real estate agent here for the state of California. And let me tell you, I'm getting phone calls, emails, and texts of people just like you every single day that want to move in to Sacramento, and I'm very happy to help them out. So whether you want to move in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to reach out, email me, call me, text me. My phone number is on the screen right now. And let's enjoy this video tour of the beautiful Eichler's home, a 4-bedroom 2-bath 1750 square foot built in 1950. Thank you for the listing agents to allow me to do this video tour today for my clients. Very appreciate it. Thank you, Michael. All right, so we are in the front yard. There are beautiful little trees in the front of the house. No trees in the backyard there. Huh? The typical look of this mid-century. The entrance is tucked away to the side. A little gate to enter the property. And they kept the property in a very, very good state here. And as you walk in, you really have the atmosphere of a 1950s house. I think it's quite stunning. So let's continue. We have the original, probably original yellow door. It's kind of interesting. So you walk in and you have your kitchen area. Beautiful dark granite, dark slick countertop here. A lot of cabinetries. It's a 1750 square foot. Not quite an open concept because you have these half walls that kind of delineate a little bit the space between the kitchen and the living room space. Probably the TV would be on the wall here. You have access to the backyard, very well maintained, or very low maintenance as well. We're going to go over there in a second. Dining room table here. Quite a bit of natural light. I love the fact they kept the design element from 1950s, this rounded bulb on the top here on the ceiling. Interesting painting on the wall here. You have access to your 2-car garage here. We can have a peek quickly here. 2-car garage. Access from the front, as you guys can see from the beginning of the video. You add also 2 cars that can park very easily on the driveway as well. A lot of counter space in this kitchen. If we stay in the living room for a little second, you have enough room to entertain your guests. Probably is a TV on the wall in the back here, or you can use the chimneys as the central focal point for your TV and entertainment. Let's continue on. It's a beautiful space. Love this two-tone, the darker beam and the lighter gray on the wall with this vertical slat air cladding on the wall here. Beautifully decorated, beautiful space overall. So if we continue down the hallway, we have a first bedroom currently used as a pianist studio. And you have your closet here, probably great for an office. Continue on. We have more closet, the first bathroom here. Lovely counter. We have this 1950s look also, but very nice touch of modern with this brand new faucet here, and in the back here, lovely shower tub combo. If we continue on, we have a little office space here. Your washer and dryer, side by side washer and dryer, and access to the backyard here with a lot of fruit trees. And the second bedroom here, we're not going to enter here. Just to give you a quick sense where we are, we're going to turn left and we're getting into the third bedroom of the house. This one is a queen size bed inside, and you have a closet right here, and again access to the backyard. I very love this model, this design here, because almost all the bedrooms has an access to the backyard, or at least a connection to the backyard here. So it's great. A lot of privacy, is pretty quiet on the inside. We're getting into the master suite or the ensuite here. Beautiful single sink vanity, quite a bit of storage or space on the side here. Love this mirrors with the backlight here, make a very even look when you look at the mirrors. How do I look? Pretty good. And we have a beautiful walking shower. Look like a tech floor here to use as the drain, floor drain. And I love this very simplistic design for this master shower. I'm gonna back out of it. I love the little dark tile here. We're getting into the master bedroom. California king, I believe, or a king size bed, but as you can see, it can fit very nicely into the room here. I want to check the backyard with you guys, and not a lot to do in this bedroom. Finally in the backyard after a couple triggering with the playing with the door handle. Must not be my day, but beautiful backyard, mature tree with like some oranges here, one palm trees. Kind of remind you you're still in California, so you need to have at least one palm trees, and a lot of privacy throughout the entire backyard. It create a nice and serene atmosphere when you enjoy the backyard and you're in this older neighborhood. Usually, typically, the privacy is not a problem anymore. So beautiful, low maintenance backyard. You have access a little bit throughout the entire house. You can have access to the backyard very easily. You have a master suite right here, your living room, your garage access right here. Here's another view of the backyard. Love the vertical slide. A very, very typical mid-century look from 1950s. And I love the sculptures and the flow and the feel of these 1950s homes here in Southland Park. Well, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video tour. If you have any question about this property, and if you want to learn more, click on the Well, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video too. If you have any question about this property, all the listing information is in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. And if you want to see something else, click one of these two videos too. I hope you enjoyed this video too. I will see you at the next one. See ya.